So my journey in the seafood started from my birth, I would say, and I learned to appreciate fish and the hard-working fisherman community because I was born and raised in a small town on the Baltic Sea, and there is nothing better than freshly caught fish piece, which is sizzling on a pan, and all those flavors open up, and when you pair it with other natural ingredients or fresh vegetables, it's the best experience. I can eat seafood every day, multiple times of the day, and I never get tired of it. I'm Olga Semenovich, and I'm a Research and Development Director at Trident Seafoods, and I'm a food scientist. This is a complex field which combines the knowledge of food chemistry, nutrition, microbiology, knowledge of food standards and regulations, engineering, product design, with the culinary creativity and marketing creativities. Every person is different, and every person has different taste buds and different flavor perceptions, different likings, and different preferences. So we need the whole team trying it and advising. So with that, we often go through different tastings, and then Chef Morgan works on different applications. We try it there.
Morgan Gabriel, I'm executive chef here at Trident Seafoods. I worked in restaurants for about 15 years. Seafood's always been kind of my life. I lived in the Pacific Northwest for most of it. Most people kind of think about fish in one way. Innovation is really opening people's eyes and getting people to realize that you can eat fish kind of in lots of different places, in lots of different meal types. You can have fish for breakfast. Yeah, you can have fish for lunch. Yeah, you can have fish for dinner. Wild Alaska pollock is very versatile. We can show it to a lot of different people with a lot of different profiles. You can really take it kind of anywhere. You can bring it into Indian flavors, Asian flavors. You can bring South American flavors, European flavors. You can kind of put really anything. And that's why I think it fits so well. It's such a great versatile product. Easy. You can do some blistered tomatoes and Calabrian chili for this one.
We all try to incorporate more fish in our diet. So it is our goal to create convenient solutions for our consumers, and then they feel good about serving this food to their whole family.
Seafood is one of the best proteins you can get. We have that beauty of freshness of Wild Alaska seafood from the moment of the catch to the point where we can use it in the production. And all the freshness is preserved at every step of the way. It allows us to look for the best ingredients to complement that.
We make sure that the result is very consistent, and the fish is flaky and tender every time.
If you see our lab during the normal days, we have multiple scientists and chefs working on different types of products and reiterations. The main question we always ask, what if? Because the curiosity which is embedded in any progress. This is what we do as food scientists. We look at the product ahead of time. We look at what could happen in a year, in 2 years, in 3 years, what emerging technologies are there. Environmental responsibility is at the core of Trident, and I think it's the only path for the future. From their science-based fishery practices to innovation and gear, to all the steps in product development. Everything what Trident does is connected to that sustainability in mind. My favorite part is that it's so rewarding to be a part of the team who bring nutritious and healthy and sustainable Wild Alaska seafoods to people's plate.